Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming an apartment room tour because I'm in my sophomore year at Temple University. Also, I live in Temple Towers this year, so you'll be seeing my bedroom A first, and then in a couple weeks I'll film a full apartment tour once everything is like put together and complete. So I'm in bedroom A, and my roommate's side isn't done yet, so she doesn't want to really show it, but this is what my side looks like. So when you enter, there's the door, and then on this wall I just have two thumbtacks in the wall and they hold my keys, and then over here's our closet, and this half is my side. I have this 3-tier organizer here that has like these storage bins in it, and then I also have one more up here that holds some purses of mine. Then I keep my pajamas over there and these curtains that I still have to return. I keep my hamper down here along with some jeans, and then in the back I just have this drying rack that folds up. And then my clothes are organized the same way they were in my last year's room tour, so I'll have a link for that in the description down below. So one cute hidden gem I have in my closet is I have this Gudetama poster. It's so cute. This container just has my Kate Spade backpack, and I keep that there. And then this one has some more purses and bags in here. This just has an umbrella and a portable charger, and I don't even think this one has anything in it. Oh, it has my makeup bag and some extra light bulbs. Then I have this full-length mirror over here. Hey, what's up? And I have these cute white lights around it. I have the same jewelry holder from last year that my dad made for me. It's just a piece of molding that we painted gold with nails in it. Then at my desk, I just have this TV that's in the corner, and I have this HDMI cord over here that I just connect to my laptop to put whatever's on my laptop onto the TV. And then over here, I have 2 push pins that hold my charger up on the wall, which is really convenient. Then I have Velcro strips on the back of this cord. That's for my printer. I have this journal over here that's a 1 question a day journal for 5 years, and I think it's really cool, so you guys should really check it out. I keep my laptop over here, and then a tissue box and this really cute marble holder. I like made my own tape dividers within it, so it has 3 compartments, which I think is really cool. Then we have Henry, the hedge fund owning hedgehog, and it's just the cutest little hedgehog that I painted, so I just really have to give him his moment of recognition because he's so cute. He's like a coin bank. In this drawer, I just have some extra Sharpies and push pins. Down here is just my printer, this crate that has Post-its, other little knickknacks like that, this little marble file holder, and then I have a bunch of my extra textbooks and binders for this semester. And then when I'm not sitting on my chair, I just put my backpack here. So starting with decorations, first I have these gold dots again, just like I had in my last year's dorm. And I have this big Brooklyn Bridge tapestry that has like blurred lights on it. I think it looks really cute. And then I have these gold lights from Primark hanging on the top of it. I have this gray tie-dyed bedding that I made myself, so if you want to DIY on that, just ask me and I'll let you know how I did it. And then I have just also a gray tie-dyed pillowcase with this furry pink pillow, and then this sequin pillow that I just drew the Temple logo on because I think it looks really cute, and those pillows are so fun to play with. But one thing I love about this room is that even though from this side the view is just like buildings and a brick wall, if you just turn your head a little bit, it's the whole city skyline, and at night it looks so good with all the lights on, and even during the day when you're doing homework at your desk, you just get this awesome view. So that's one perk of going to school at Temple. My dresser, half of this is my side and then half is my roommate's, and we just have this mirror that we both share here. So I just have essentials like lotion, my makeup brushes, deodorant, and over here I have perfumes and chapstick, and then I just have some eyeshadows, concealer, stuff like that, eyelash curlers, mascara, gum. This is just like random drawers. And then this is my hair products, hand sanitizer. If you're a future Temple Towers resident watching this tour and you're wondering what to do with these 2 drawers that they gave us, what me and my roommate did was we just stacked them, and then it created a lot more space under our beds, and it let us have this nice dresser over here. So I have the bottom 2 drawers, and in this drawer I just keep beauty related things like makeup wipes, nail polish, face masks, stuff like that. These drawers are huge and really deep, so that's why this looks really spacious, even though I do have a lot of things in here. In this drawer I just have socks and underwear, and then I have some pajamas on this side folded. And lastly, I just have these storage bins underneath my bed. Since we have a lot of storage given and I'm in an apartment, so I have other places to put my stuff, these don't have that much in them, but I'll just give you a quick overview. This has some more beauty related stuff in here, like lotions, nail stuff, bobby pins, stuff like that. This drawer is literally empty. This is my secret gum stash. I have a lot of gum in here and mints. That's gonna last me the year. This is my health drawer with a lot of medicine in it, Band-Aids, stuff like that. And this just has extra school supplies, command hooks, stuff like that. I have this ottoman on the floor that lets me reach my bed because it's so high up. And basically I just have these 2 storage bins over here. That one doesn't have much at all in it, and this just has extra stuff like paper plates, utensils, and extra school stuff. Let's just admire the beautiful view one more time before I go. And that is all I have for today. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And if you or someone you know is moving to Temple Towers next year, definitely show them this video. I'll let them see what this apartment comes with and what it's gonna look like. I think that is it, so I will see you guys next time. Bye!